Parents, I know Schoology is a bit of a learning curve, and you as a parent or your student might even be a little frustrated with where to find things, so I thought I would give a short tutorial for English class. When your student opens Schoology, this is the header that they see. They have their Google Meet link, they have the class agenda, office hours, book reviews, and then they can email me. Office hours will take you to the Meet link. It also reminds you that office hours are Monday from 10:30 to 11, and it's a pop-in. You don't need to email, you don't need to request time with me, you just pop into that Meet. The class agenda is updated daily, and it's a class website, and each week I will tell you what we did on Monday, and I will also give a brief overview of what we did in class. It's about a 2-minute video, and then I list the assignments as well as where you can find them. And then day 2, the assignments and where you can find them. When you scroll down, you will see an assortment of folders. This pink folder down here, I will put all study guides. So right now the theme study guide is in there. However, as we move forward throughout the year, there will be more study guides in there. I have folders for week 1, week 2, week 3. If you click on this week, for both days you will see class notes that we went over in class, and then there will be an assignment. So on Tuesday for A Day and Thursday for B Day, there was a writing long assignment. We listened or read, thank you ma'am, and then there was an assignment for the students to do during Learning Lab. That was an assessment, and it needed to be turned in to be graded. Wednesday for A Day and Friday for B Day, again there's class notes, and we took a theme assessment. Again, this was a graded assignment. There was about 50 minutes of class time to do this assignment. This also needs to be turned in to be graded. On Mondays, we write in our reading journal. So every Monday, students should check their reading journal. It's listed by date. So this was the 14th, the 21st, and this coming Monday, they will click on this to type in their reading journal.